Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to answer business law case study questions. We will go through a proven, step-by-step approach to help you analyze complex scenarios effectively. This method, known as IRAC, stands for Issue, Rule, Application, and Conclusion. It provides a clear framework, ensuring you address all critical aspects of a legal problem. By following these 4 steps, you can present a well-reasoned and persuasive answer every time. The first crucial step is to accurately identify the legal issues. This involves a thorough reading of the case study, looking for any conflicts or problems that require a legal solution. Think about what the parties are arguing about or what legal rights might be at stake. Frame these as clear, concise questions. For example, did a valid contract exist between party A and party B? This sets the stage for your entire analysis. Next, you must state the applicable legal rules and then apply them to the facts. Clearly articulate the legal principles, such as contract law or tort law, that govern the situation. Then, meticulously connect the facts from the case study to each element of the rule. For instance, if a rule requires an offer, identify the specific action in the case that constitutes that offer. This is where you demonstrate your analytical skills, showing how the law applies to the real-world scenario. Finally, you will formulate your conclusion and provide a recommendation. Directly answer the legal questions you posed at the beginning, summarizing your findings from the application step. Your conclusion should be a logical outcome of your analysis, not a new argument. If appropriate, offer a practical recommendation for the parties involved. This demonstrates your ability to not only analyze, but also to provide actionable legal advice, bringing your case study answer to a strong close.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.